So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, if you have a website or blog and you are looking for getting AdSense approval, actually you don't have idea how you can check your website eligibility, your website is ready to prove or not, and which thing you have to improve to get AdSense approval. Today I will guide you the same thing. So first thing you have to do is simply like this video, and if you have any kind of question or query, please ask me in comment section. So you have to copy your website URL, the home page URL. Okay, this is home page and this is my URL. Simply copy it. Now I will share this website link in description. Also you can visit this website. Okay, this is the domain of this website. Simply you can visit it, and here you can add your website URL. Okay, so this is the tool which can help you to analyze your website and tell you which thing you have to improve and which thing is okay. So let's check eligibility. There are many website checker. There are many tools to that help you to check your website is eligible for AdSense or not, but this is one of the best. Also I will share a different website and different tool in my next videos. If you need, you can also like this video and comment in description, so I will create a new videos about how you can analyze your website. So guys, it take 3 minutes to analyze my website. After analyzing website, there are 45% chances to AdSense approval. There are 45% approval probabilities. Now I want to show you something. There's a things that you have to improve, and there's a things you have already improved. So first thing is our domain criteria. My domain is good, but this website is showing this domain is not good because the character is too long. Okay, so here is the thing, is website is available. Yes, so here you can see my website is available. Here you can see the SSL certificate is installed. So yes, SSL certificate is installed, but I have a blogger website. So if you have a WordPress website, you can add SSL certificate. Okay, now here the domain length. So my domain length is very long because my domain name is bloggersgroup.us. So this is too long, but it's I think for me, for my business, it's good. Now here you can see top level domain eligibility. Okay, so this is the top level domain eligibility. Here you can see this domain is eligible. Okay, so here's our domain authority. You can see my domain authority is good because I use .com .us extension. .us extension is good chance for approval. Okay, because Americans people also trust this kind of website that have .us extensions. Okay, now here you can see domain age unable to check because this website is new, so there is no chance to they check my website. Okay, my domain is not old. At least you have 30 days old domain. So domain not just you buy the domain. When you create a website, you use the domain at that time to start counting. Okay, now this is the one way. Now here is the site visibility. Site visible on Google search. So my site is not visible on Google search. When I search bloggers group .us or blogger group, I don't be able to reach my website. So how to fix it? I have to index my website, my different pages on Google Search Console and different search engines to get index my website, and then my website will be visible in Google. Okay, my site is visible on Google and I am able to go my site, but when I search blogger group.us, I don't my site is not showing. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so you have to index not only your home page, multiple pages you have to index. Now here's the other thing, Google bots can assess your website. Yes, I have allowed the bots or Google search engine to scroll my website. Okay, there's a file the name robot.txt file. You have to allow uh, search engines to crawl your website. Now here you can see Google AdSense bot can access your website. So yes, they can hear. Now here you can see the main things. There are the term and condition page available. No, this page not available. Okay, here you can see I have only about us and contact us page. Okay, so about us and contact us, this page is available, but I don't know how they can say not available. Here you can see the sitemap is available. No, sitemap not available. Here you can see page count. So here page count is not available. Okay, it's only 9, so I have to upload more article there. I have to write more article there. So site language is English. It's good. Now here's the site performance. I mean, it's a site score to open a new pages, how many take time to load. So site performance is 77%, and accessibility score is 63%. Now here is the best practice score is 100%, and SEO score is 82%. Unique visitor, there are no unique visitors, but how it possible that I don't have a unique visitor? Because daily I get at least 50 to 40 people in my website. So here you can see the last day I got 50 traffic. Today I got 10 traffic, maybe traffic increase. Okay, while I making this video. Okay, every day I got 50 visitor in my website, but I don't work on this site. I just create this site, but I don't work on this site. So how you can do it? So you have to do those things. If you have able to do everything and then you don't get AdSense approval, I suggest you to buy my AdSense approval course, which I will guide you how you can get AdSense approval in any category, any uh, topic, anything. You have to create website, and I will guide you how you can get AdSense approval, also how you can increase your AdSense earning. So this is how it works. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you find this video helpful for you, please like this video, please comment. If you want to I create more videos like this, you can comment. I will create more videos like this. Thank you. Thousands of tips that will help you to get AdSense approval, that you will help you to monetize your website. Okay, so you have to you have to read this articles, because this article is very good. There is many information that will help you. Okay, also if you need my help, if you need my course, my number in my description. Also you see my number on screen and or starting start time. Okay.